Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin. I'm a clinical aromatherapist here at Erin's Herbs. On this channel, I do weekly uploaded videos teaching you how to create your very own skincare products from the comfort of your own home. So whether or not you have never made skincare products or you have some experience, I hope that you will find this channel very informative. So let's get started creating. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY Kiwi Seed Lip Oil. This formula provides shine, glide, and comfort without waxes, and it's perfect for use in a roller bottle. So let me walk you through the step-by-step process on how to create this. To begin with, in my beaker, I'm weighing out some castor oil. This has a thicker consistency than most oils, but it's very moisturizing. And on the lips, it's going to protect them by creating a barrier. It's also going to add a wonderful shine and plumping effect to the lips. Next, I'm adding jojoba oil. This contains B-complex, vitamin E, along with zinc. Jojoba oil is going to give the lips a nice protective barrier. It is very moisturizing, and it's great for healing dry, chapped lips as well. This particular oil is fast absorbing, and it will not leave the lips feeling greasy at all. This next oil is really the star ingredient in this formula, and it is kiwi seed oil. This contains vitamins C and omega-3 fatty acids, and this will help to condition and moisturize the lips. And why I'm using it in this formula is because it's wonderful for giving the lips a nice plumped appearance. Sweet almond oil is the next ingredient that I'm using in this formula. It contains vitamin E along with other fatty acids, which will help to improve the overall texture of the lips while also being very hydrating. This is a perfect oil to use if you have dry, chapped lips. To help with moisture retention, I'm adding vitamin E oil. This not only will help to retain that moisture, but it's going to create a nice protective barrier on the lips. This is an ingredient I use a lot in my product making because it will help to prolong the shelf life of the other ingredients being used. Now I'm going to remove the beaker from the scale and set the scale aside. It's time to stir all of the ingredients for about 60 seconds just to make sure that they're all nicely incorporated. Once all the stirring has been completed, it's time to go ahead and pour all of these lovely ingredients into my container. I am using a roller bottle today, which works wonderful because not only is it great for applying to the lips, but I can take it with me wherever I go. So with that being said, this particular formula does make approximately 1 roller bottle or 10 milliliters of product. This can be used as often as you would like, and it really is that easy to put together. I'm now going to go ahead and show you what this lip oil looks like on the skin. So I'm going to take the roller bottle and just apply a little onto my hand. And you can see here that the oil has a nice shine to it, but it is not heavy feeling, nor is it oily or greasy, which I love. So there you have it. There's your Kiwi Seed Lip Oil. If you enjoy working with oils like in this video, I also have a beginner-friendly oil-based perfume course, and I'll link it down below in the description box. Here are some substitutions today. In place of the castor oil, use meadow foam oil. It's a thinner oil and it does work well. For the jojoba oil, I recommend using argan oil. And then for sweet almond oil, use apricot seed oil. Unfortunately, there are no substitutions for the kiwi seed oil because it is the star ingredient in this formula. So thanks for watching. And if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.